it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and take a look at these celery plants. Now at this particular stage you see that they have their false leaves. There is no true leaves yet. This is the point where I'm kind of looking at their containers and going, okay, not much more will germinate, maybe some, but I'm basically done the germination stage. And you can see here some containers did better than others, and this is pretty typical of celery. So at this particular point, what I want to do is remove my heating pad. It is not necessary anymore. So remove your heating pad from your celery and just have them underneath the grow light. I'm still having the grow light 18 inches above these plants and will continue to do so. I'm using the BP 1000 full spectrum grow light, as you can see right here above those particular plants. If you're interested there are links in the description box below. You can also comment or ask me any questions you like. At this particular stage, once again, just continue to water. Continue to make sure that they don't dry out. You are literally just watching them grow, making sure that your containers are turned if you need to. If you're in a sunny window, you want them to be growing straight up like they are. The nice thing is you can see here they are stubby and short. They are not leggy, and that has everything to do with the grow light. If they become really leggy, your grow light is either not close enough to your plants or you don't have an adequate sunny window. They should be short and stubby. As you can see at this particular angle, how short and stubby they are, and this is very critical to strong, healthy plants. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.